If your screen is as blank as a starless night, you're a beginner coder at Code Funhouse. Welcome to Code Funhouse, where coding is all fun and games. Today, we're diving into the magical world of Python using our super cool web app. So buckle up, young coders, and let's get our code on. First up, we're going to use the print function. It's like giving your computer a script to read out loud. Here's how it goes. Type print, followed by brackets. Inside these, whatever you put in quotes, your computer will say, "Try it out, type print, hello, Code Funhouse," and click run. Boom! Your computer just spoke. Now let's jazz things up with F-strings, short for formatted strings. Imagine you want to say hello and include your name without lots of formatting. Here's the magic spell. Type your underscore name underscore here equals sign my child, print, Bev, my name is your underscore name underscore here. Replace my child with your actual name and watch the magic unfold. With Code Funhouse, it's that easy. You can ask your friendly AI tutor any questions if you get stuck. So what are you waiting for? Start coding and let your creativity run wild.